New now, lights you control with your phone? What's that all about? Well, this man says it's possible. Plus, Sammy the Ace is live from the locker room with sports, and Mama Joel's in the kitchen cooking white chicken chili. The weather report starts now. Good evening, and thanks for starting your morning with us. I'm Wilt Lightman, and I'm here to tell you what to think. In the spotlight today, an area man is being accused of witchcraft, black magic, and other crimes against nature after he claims to be able to control light with his telephone? Joining me now via KBLZ mobile uplink is local crazy bearded kook, Dev DeVoss, and that sounds like a made-up name.
Well, it's not.
Whatever you say. Now, you claim to have invented some strange new technology, or perhaps, Dev, made a deal with the devil himself. Why don't you tell us about it?
Well, it's not really that strange, and it's not that new, really. But yes, I'm running Blizzard Lighting's free at-full lighting control app here on my phone. And as you can see, I've got it connected to a couple of Hemisphere battery-operated LED fixtures that I bought from blizzardpro.com. And I've got full control over them. It took me about 5 minutes. I really like this combination because of the built-in Easy Connect feature, which makes pairing them as easy as, well, doing this. And you're up and running. Plus, Hemisphere has a really bright 15-watt RGB LED that'll run for about 10 hours on a single charge, and it comes with this diffuser dome, which transforms its nice beam into a great deco piece. And it even has a magnet on the back, so you can stick it pretty much anywhere.
Now, I noticed you didn't say whether it was a deal with the devil, but...
It's not.
And that goes for that telephone you have too?
This? Oh yeah. The at-full app runs great on either Android or iOS, and is available from either app store. It'll control pretty much any fixture with DMX or ArtNet too, using the Blizzard SoC-It.
Well, I'm no vacuum tube mechanic, but to this reporter, it all sounds like sorcery.
Okay.
Well, Dev, thanks for being with us, and I hope your soul is safe. Well, coming up next, oh boy, do we have a treat for you. Mama Joel's all suited up with his apron. He's about ready to whip up a hot, fresh batch of his famous white chicken chili. Stay tuned.